today this is going to be one more side-by-side comparison video of the Dyson Airwrap tool and the Conair Infinity Pro Spin Air Brush.
Hey, this is Chinmayi.
Put it onto your face. Put it on. Okay, so this is the Conair Infinity Pro, and this brush itself spins either to the left or to the right. So I'm going to be showing you how I can go about styling my hair with this brush versus the Infinity Pro. So it took me about 4.5 minutes to kind of style just one side of my hair, and there are still parts of my hair which is still very damp, and my arms are also aching. I really don't know why I seem to like this tool earlier. If I really want an arm workout, I think this kind of works, and also if I have a lot of time on my hands. But the only reason perhaps some people might like this tool is because this comes closest to mimicking a salon style blowout, because the brush is spinning instead of your hands going like that and stuff like that. And because a brush spins, it slightly mimics what a hairstylist will do with your hair when they go with the brush and the hair dryer. So that's that. So let's go with the Dyson now, shall we? So my hair is dry and the clock is at about 1 minute. Oh shit, I got a message. Hang on. And the clock is at about 1 minute 53 seconds from the time I started this. So clearly, as long as the timing is concerned, this is a clear winner versus the Conair Spin Pro. Yeah, it took just about a couple of runs with this to have this gentle volume. See, if you want to have this salon style blowout that kind of stays, you definitely need to use some sort of a volumizing hairspray or a texturizing hairspray. I do have a couple of really favorite hairsprays. One is the Waves Memory Mist and the texturizing spray, and also the Living Proof's volumizing hairspray. I'm going to be showing it to you in just about a second. Okay, so the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Instant Lasting Volume and Texture for Hair. This is one of my favorite sprays to both set and style. Just before you start drying your hair, when it's like probably about 80%, 90% damp, maybe somehow not 80%, 90% damp, what am I saying, 80%, 90% dry, you actually spray this onto your roots and then style it, and then your blow dry, blowout lasts a pretty long time. The other one I really like is the Waves Memory Mist. This is also some sort of a multitasking priming spray which adds heat protection, shine and long lasting memory to any look, curls and blowouts and stuff like that. So this is something that I have really liked using for a pretty long time. This is when I have had shoots and then I had to set my style, and also I have sprayed this onto my hair before I went about styling my hair. The other one that I really like, which I don't have with me right now, it's in Hyderabad. It is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Spray, and that is also something that I really like using before I style my hair. And the other one that I like is the Hair Care's Wave Spray. This is something that if I want a little more texture and if I'm working with curls and stuff like that, I would be using this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the Waves Memory Mist. And now that I have used this, I'm going to be showing you in part 2 of the same video as to how your hair will look when you actually use a product that's supposed to set and style your hair. So until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye.